Welcome to Tech Knox Gamer's channel. Today we are gonna see top 10 insurance companies in the world 2021. Top 10 position. MetLife Insurance. MetLife originated in year 1868 and headquartered in New York, USA. With employee base of 58,000. Revenue TTM $69 billion. Net income TTM $0.6 billion. Market cap $6.9 billion. 1 year trailing total return 6.4%. Exchange New York Stock Exchange. Top 9 position. The People's Insurance Company Group of China Limited was established in 1949, headquartered in Beijing, China. Revenue TTM $85.5 billion. Net income TTM $4 billion. Market cap $14.9 billion. 1 year trailing total return 7.0%. Exchange OTC. Top 8 position. Generali was established in 1831, headquartered in Italy. Revenue TTM $86.6 billion. Net income TTM $1.8 billion. Market cap $28.5 billion. 1 year trailing total return 3.9%. Exchange OTC. 7th position. Prudential Financial Inc. was founded in 1872 in Ohio, USA. Revenue TTM $35.3 billion. Net income TTM $0.7 billion. Market cap $51.9 billion. 1 year trailing total return 6.3%. Exchange New York Stock Exchange. 6th position. China Life Insurance Company Limited was established in 2003, headquartered in Beijing, China. Revenue TTM $109.1 billion. Net income TTM $7.2 billion. Market cap $63 billion. 1 year trailing total return -9.0%. Exchange New York Stock Exchange. 5th position. Japan Post Holdings Limited was established in 2006, headquartered in Japan. Revenue TTM $109.9 billion. Net income TTM $7.3 billion. Market cap $65 billion. 1 year trailing total return -4.0%. Exchange New York Stock Exchange. 4th position. Allianz Insurance was established in 1890 in Munich, Germany. Revenue TTM $98.5 billion. Net income TTM $7.7 billion. Market cap $99 billion. 1 year trailing total return -3.4%. Exchange OTC. 3rd position. EXA is a very old company which was established in 1852 in Paris, France. Revenue TTM $111.4 billion. Net income TTM $3.2 billion. Market cap $56.7 billion. 1 year trailing total return -9.1%. Exchange OTC. 2nd position. Ping An Insurance was established in 1988 with its headquarters in Shenzhen, China. Revenue TTM $156 billion. Net income TTM $17.4 billion. Market cap $231.8 billion. 1 year trailing total return 9.0%. Exchange OTC. 1st position. Berkshire Hathaway is a conglomerate holding company headquartered in Nebraska, USA. Revenue TTM $278.2 billion. Net income TTM $35.9 billion. Market cap $548 billion. 1 year trailing total return 3.3%. Exchange, New York Stock Exchange. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.